Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda from Mexico. I'm very happy to have all of you here. Today, I'm in my mother's house and I will be giving the class from here. You know that you are always welcome here too. Today I will show you how to knit this neck. It is so easy and simple and perfect for winter. I love this neck because you can use it as a hat too. It covers all your head and ears, so it's perfect when it's cold. The neck I'm using today is knitted with yarn named Valle from Del Bosque Company with 2 threads. Look, is this one. It's so warm and beautiful. You can get it in Spain. But today I will show you how to knit this neck with this country yarn. Later I will share the address and phone numbers where you can order those materials. We can send them to you to every part of the world. Quickly, I would like to thank all of you for all the effort and sacrifices you make to go and see me in expos. I appreciate from the bottom of my heart all the beautiful things you said about me and all the love you gave me. I feel very happy that with these tutorials I can help you. I'm here for that, because of you. It makes me very happy to hear that in Canary Island a group of women and form a group where they share their stories and help each other. The group name is Unidas por el Crochet, and they are looking forward to join more women to help each other with this beautiful labor, knit. So I invite all of you to form a groups and help each other. You can knit and share your stories and together move forward. Get on! Read all of your comments, meet all of you in expos, and hear all of these beautiful stories are the best reward that I could have. Thank you. Well, now let's start the tutorial. I will give you the material list. I wanted to show all the colors that we have. Look how beautiful they are. For this neck we are going to use only 1 yard of 100 grams. But look all the different colors that we have, and all of them knitted looks beautiful. You should try them. Look, this is yarn Valle. You can knit this neck with those materials too, in case you don't find country. Look, it is beautiful too. Well, here are all the colors and you can make your order in our online store. Look, I choose this color, so we will start knitting with a loop that you are going to introduce in your right hand. Look. We will form an E. Look, like this one. And we will introduce in the right hand. You should not pull so hard because it has to be loose. I will put 14 stitches in our hand. So we will continue like this until we have 14. Look, here I have 14 stitches in my right hand. We will take the thread with also the right hand where all the stitches are, and we will take the last stitch and let it go. And the one that we have in the hand goes to the left hand. Look. And again, you have to pull a little bit the thread to adjust all the stitches. Look. And again, take the thread with the hand where all the stitches are and take the next stitch and let it go. And the one that we have in our hand, put in the left hand and adjust. You have to be careful because sometimes you want to put a stitch that we let go in the other hand, but no, we have to let go and take the one that we leave in the other hand. Do it slowly and carefully to be sure we are doing it right. We will continue like this the whole row. When you finish the row, do the same with the other hand. We will continue like this, passing stitches from one hand to another, and remember to count the stitches. We have to have 14. We will continue like this until we have 59 inches to wind off. We will continue like this until we have our 59 inches left, and remember to count 14 stitches always. Well, I'm here finishing. I almost have 59 inches left. Don't open your arms too much. To wind off, we are going to take the thread and we will let go 3 stitches. Let them go, and the one that we have in the hand, put in the hand where all the stitches are. To wind off, we are going to use only one hand. And again, 3, let them go, and return this one back. And again. We are going to wind off 3 by 3. Here I have 4 stitches, so we will take 2 and let them go, and then we will have 3 and let them go. With the one that is left, make a knot. Look. Here is a tissue. Look, all of those spaces are the ones we are going to join with the other side. Pull your tissue, and here where we start, you are going to see these little waves. Take them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There has to be 13. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. We have 14, but no, we are not counting the loop, so that's why there are 13. Take all of them, and then with the other side we are going to join. You have to do this part very careful, so you have to be sure that you have all the waves, because if not, it can undo. Look, here I made a bow with the yarn that is left. So as we made before, we are going to bind off 3 by 3. So the first 3, we took them like this as we were sewing. We passed through this hole and well, like this, and then we passed through the other hole that is in the other side, remember? And again 3, and we pass through until the next hole. This one. 3 again. We pass through the bowl. And then we pass through until the next hole. Look, it has to look loose, not tight. Look, here I have 4 left. So take 2, pass through the bowl, and until the next hole. And we will do the same with the next 2. threads that we have left. Look, so this is the last one, and we are going to pass through the ball to this hole. And well, using the thread from the beginning and the thread that is left, make a knot. If you want here, you can sew to make sure it won't undo. Cut the thread and hide it through all the garment like this. Once we finish hiding, pass your arm through all the garment and pull. And here it is where we are going to introduce our head. Remember that this part you should sew it to ensure it won't undo. So what do you think? Look how it looks. It was so easy and fast. I invite all of you to teach your kids to knit especially this garment that it's so easy. Look, this is the one that we made with country yarn. Look how it looks. And this one is made with 2 yarns and 2 threads with valle. It will look more puffy and bigger, but beautiful too. Remember that both can be used as a hat too. I invite all of you to do it for winter. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. And if you like it, give me a like, subscribe, share, and leave all your comments here and pictures. I read all of them. Sometimes I can answer because I'm always knitting. But I promise I will answer all of them. I promise. Well, see you in the next video. Bye!